close. So my camera is dying and I'm going to take like an hour and a half of a break, which is going to be nothing to eat, but I'm just going to charge my camera. And in this time I'm literally going to do not much. I'll edit some more and maybe write, I don't know, but I'm just going to quickly charge you guys and then I'll be back. Oh my god guys, this brand Morgana Sin literally hooked it up. In case you don't know what I'm talking about, Morgana Sin is a clothing brand and I think she's based in America or France. I don't know, I'm gonna double check. If anything, all the links to like her website, Instagram, everything is in the description box. So I'm so out of breath, I don't know why, but she literally hooked it up. Like 2 weeks ago she contacted me through Instagram and asked if she could send me a t-shirt so I could post an image on my Instagram wearing it, because that's how brands are now promoting themselves, is through bloggers. And I said yes, because oh my god, like I love the designs, they're so cool. Like they kind of remind me of like the traditional tattoos, and she literally hooked it up. Oh my god. So so that's what I got today in the mail, literally like 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes ago. I got all of these lovely prints, and you can actually buy these prints in a t-shirt form. I'm gonna link the website down below, and also she sent me this framed image, which is the image I'm gonna have on the t-shirts I chose. And also I got these pins. They're so cool. Like I love having pins on my like denim jackets, so that will definitely be in use. And also I love this print. It was very hard deciding between this print and this print, but I went for this one. But yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below so you can have a look of what's in the range and what you can choose. And yeah, it's a very cool brand, and she does menswear and women's wear, so that's awesome. But yeah, thank you so much. This is like, I did not expect this. Honestly, I have no words. I'm out of breath, obviously. But yeah, absolutely love this. I'll definitely frame some of these and put it like on my wall or something. But they are amazing, and thank you so much. Look at this, so pretty. So pretty.
Demands penance for his betrayal, for he is but a cloven beast, rotting in the mud.
So oh, and she left. Say hi. So I just came back home from Manchester. I'm sorry if I didn't vlog much in Manchester. It's just I still find it very awkward to film in public. Also, let me show you. My puppy, she gets so excited whenever she sees either me or my dad or my mom or my sister. After like literally an hour of not seeing us, she pees, right, from happiness. And she just peed on my cover. Yep. So that's lovely. I'm not going to sleep in that, obviously. But happiness, I guess. I'm glad not everyone is so happy about stuff that they literally have to beat themselves. I was laughing that we would need to buy her like a diaper because yeah, it's just, I mean, if it's a floor or a carpet, that's fine, but like I'm sleeping in this bed and yeah, my dog peed on it, so that's great. No, it's really cute. It's just kind of like I would not like to sleep in a pee. How about I will show you what I got in Manchester. I'm not gonna show you everything because I'm going to do like a Halloween haul, but I'll show you something, I don't know. So I got some white contact lenses and they have this like white mesh, but I think in photos it's going to look cool because they're going to look like all white. So I got that from Cyberdog and that was like £18 I think, but they're like a monthly ones, so yeah, that will last me. Oh, and then I went to Primark, but I'm not gonna show you the main thing I went to Primark for, because I'm gonna do a haul. But I got some over the knee socks, because we all need socks, right? And also, oh my god, I don't know if you can tell. So we all know that Primark has the Harry Potter collection, and I got a Slytherin hoodie because, you know, gotta represent, right? Yeah, I got a size medium because I want it to be like really oversized, and it fits just the way I want it to, and yeah, I love it. It's so cool. It's a really cool hoodie, and also it's like in forest green, which is one of my favorite colors, so yeah. I also went to Superdry because I had to get some makeup wipes and some more hair bleach and toner. This one is different than I bought, I think, but this one's like for white blondes. So in order for me to get the final result of my hair, I need to like tone it way more than I already do, and I think another like coat of bleach on some of the parts of my hair, and toner is going to create the effect I wanted, so then I can put the hair dye on. And I think I'm gonna bleach them tonight after work, even though I finish work at like 9 and I should be home around like 10, after 10, but we'll see. But so yeah, I got that and I'm so excited to finally get the hair I want.